All right, everyone, welcome along. You found Geordie Intelligence, haven't you? I'm here and I'm Ross, and I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to get out from under the world of Excel hell with all the churn of building reports in days and weeks into something that you can just kind of do it like that. Click of a finger, it's done, right? Or even better, kind of wake up in the morning, come into the office, and it's done. I'm going to show you a whistle-stop tour, 5 minutes of your time, and I think you'll realise just how valuable Power BI can be to you and your organisation. Firstly, who am I? My name's Ross, and I've been doing this for 20 plus years now. Shocking, isn't it? Right? I don't look a day over 18. Really though, I've done this for everyone. I've done it for large multinationals, for small companies as well. And I've also done not just IT everywhere, but various areas of business, from finance departments through to R&D departments, through to manufacturing, through to repairs and installations. Kind of been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Well, I got this one instead, right? Founded me two companies, Geordie Intelligence, that's what we're doing here, and Geordie Consultant, which is where we go out and do what we're doing here for businesses. I may not be the best, but you know, I'm going to try and be different to all the rest. Let me take you through the demo that you'll see down here. So one of our most common things, or one of the common requests we get, is we get businesses who'll come and they'll say, I've got this Excel spreadsheet, like this kind of thing, right? And it's got all my sales information in it, it's got everything in it, and I need to produce reports on it regularly for my manager. So I go through and I copy it through and I build pivot tables and I paste it here and I build some more pivot tables and I copy those out and I email them to him or her, right? Can Power BI fix that? And the question is, well, the answer is, of course it can. So by looking at this, doing some extract, transform and load activities, we can build a report like this. So this is the sort of thing that you'd probably see in Excel. Well, what's fancy about that? But we can also go to that next stage. And what I did here was, because you had some customer information, we can drop in what's our highest areas, where are we selling the most technology across the states that we've got, where are we selling the most furniture, office supplies, right? And I've deliberately kept this simple. This is just drag and drop, put it in, okay? If you've got a new spreadsheet coming out every week, every day, right? You can write something and it'll replace it. And all you'll ever need to do is come in and hit the refresh button here, right? On your Power BI report, and you'll find your data will refresh, okay? That's amazing. And that changes the way that you do it, because the same steps are applied. And that is extract, transform and load, the very basis of Power BI. But we can go further than that. And in our series is one of the things that I've taken you through, and one of the things I'll share with you, is this. So I've built this. This is an England food hygiene report. So in England, every restaurant or food establishment has to have a little score rating of 1 to 5, saying how they're doing. And we can put that down. So I've connected all this up. It downloads every day, it gets all the information from all the businesses in the UK, or in England particularly for this, because different parts of the UK have different scoring systems. So for ease, I built it just for England. I could have easily done more, right? You can see 425,000 companies and businesses are assessed, and the average food hygiene rating is 4.63 out of 5, which is pretty good. But we can click anywhere and it will update and interactively allow us to analyze that. And if you start to think, well, for my business, what could that mean? So we can say, well, we're interested in Newcastle, aren't we? So we could go and pick on Newcastle, view Newcastle, and it'll open out and expand. And it gives us all the information that we could possibly need. Power BI does all this for you with one simple license cost. That was cracking, wasn't it, eh? So the next thing I want you to do, I'd love you to take some time, subscribe to our channel, watch some of the videos, right, and learn. Because the things that you can learn from us and from here, right, they will change the way that your business works. I promise you.